Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. I know that it's been quite long since I uploaded my last video. Actually guys, I was busy with my some other works. Anyways guys, today I have come to a very beautiful place. So you can see behind me there is a very beautiful stream. Let me go closer and I'll show you. So I'll take you to there. So straight into the video. I'm sure you are gonna love this. So with me I have my friend who has invited me. So he will show you the place because he's local of this place. So we need to go up, right?
No,
Up. Okay.
go down.
Okay. So guys, just have a look how beautiful the scenery is. Water is falling down. So I'm going closer to show you. So guys, I was about to bang down my head. It's so sleepy. I wanted to go through these hills, but the hills is very slippery. So I request you, if you come, please don't try to go over the stone. It is very slippery. You will fall down. Oof. I saved by the grace of God. I was about to fall down, but my friend saved me. He held my hand. He did not let me fall down. So now I'll go from up. Guys, here water falls down 24/7 hours. And guys, you can take bath here. The water is very clean. So guys, I can spend the whole day here. I will not feel bored. But guys, there is another stream that is little up. So we are going there. Guys, the scenery is very pleasant. I can spend the whole day here. I will not feel bored. So guys, you can also come here. In my description I'll give you the address, so you can also come here. Guys, I also live nearby, but yesterday only I got to know about this place. One of my friends suggested me. Actually I saw him. He came here and he shot a video here. So from him I got to know that there is a very beautiful place like this. So I don't know whether I'll be able to go there or not, but still I will try to go. Oh. Hey brother, will you be able to go there? Okay. Go. But please be cautious, don't fall down. Okay? Because we want to carry the good memories. We don't want to carry any bad memories. So please be careful, don't fall. Don't injure yourself. Oh God, it's very nice. So guys, this is what I was talking about. It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's so pleasant. The water is very clean. If you want, you can take bath here also. But unfortunately, we didn't bring any soap. I didn't bring any towels. So water falls down from here and it goes down. And many people are dependent on this water. It is very clean. Hey brother, do you want to take some pictures? Do you want to take some pictures? Okay, you sit here, I'll take your picture. So guys, you can take pictures also here. The scenery is very beautiful, the background is very beautiful, so if you take pictures, it will look very nice. You can post it on your Instagram also, you'll get more likes. So guys, I think we have spent plenty of time here. We don't want to go, but what to do? Everything will be closed by 2 p.m. So before it's 2, we need to go back home. If opportunity arises, then we will come once again, and we will try to come in the morning time so that we can spend little bit more time. Anyways guys, that was a wonderful experience. I hope you also like it. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video you get notified. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.